Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is mohsinahmedsiddiquei and I am from Army Public School and College Faisal, Karachi. I am going to teach you computer for class 6 and the book we will be following eSkills Learner Level 6. Today we will going to learn Module 1 Learning the Basics, and our topic is the operating system. Today our objective is observe the operating system as a set of programs. In the previous tasks we learned about hardware. Now it's time to understand what software is. There are two major types of software: the operating system and the application that can you use every day. What is an operating system and why is it so important? Well, as the name suggests, an operating system helps us to operate computer, but still, what does it do? An operating system has two main tasks to perform. The first one is to control the hardware of the computer, use the computer's resources and try to distribute them properly. It manages the available memory, computer memory, and allocates the required amount of memory each program needs and the time the CPU will spend on a specific process. It also manages the peripheral or storage devices, handles printing need. But the most important task of the operating system is to create a proper environment for you, the user, to interact with the computer. In other words, the operating system provides all the tools the user need to control the computer. Some years ago, an operating system was just a black screen where the user had to type commands in order to get results. If he knew the right command, that is, then the first operating system with a graphical user interface known as GUI appeared. A GUI allows you to see all your files and folders as icons and images which you can point at with your mouse.
History. The most popular command operating system was MS-DOS, and after the appearance of GUI, Mac OS and Microsoft Windows followed.
To log on Windows, click the username and then type password and OK. How to log on Windows? First, click the username. Now just type the password and press enter. So students, this is your desktop screen. After logon screen, the main screen of Microsoft Windows appear. The main window consists of taskbar, desktop, icons, the main button, shortcuts, folders and files as well. This is our startup icon. Now let's discuss about these things one by one. First of all, desktop. This main screen is our desktop, and here is the space where you work when you open Windows. Icons. See, recycle bin is an icon. When you first install Windows, only the recycle bin icon appear on desktop. Double click on it and it will open for you. Now what about taskbar? This is the taskbar, and every window that you open also appears in the taskbar, be easily accessed anytime you want. This allow you to work with many different programs at the same time. Window button. This is our window button. Windows button. With this button you can access all the programs, folders, files and all the tools of the operating system. Now see this is our pin bar. Pin bar, you can put all the programs that you can use often here, so you can open them with just one click like this. You can just one click on that program, it will open for you in a single click. So students, these are startup icons. Here all the programs that start when you switch on your PC and enter the operating system. These are programs that help you work with your PC or icons that change important settings like antivirus, programs, date and time, and sound settings.
Be safe. When you clean your computer, make sure to turn it off first. Do not wear wet gloves and keep water from the tower.
Main window. In this area, you can see the program that you have pinned on the start menu, so you can access from more easily whenever you want. Here is a list program that you use very often. All programs. Here you can find all the programs and accessories that are installed on a computer. So what about these students? These are the most common folder which you can organize your files and folders. This PC is also called in your 7 computer, and you can access all the storage devices that are installed on your computer, which is shown in front of you that I have 2 CD-ROMs, and whenever I plug in a USB, it will show you here with next alphabetical order. So you can change the setting of your computer installed devices or get help. Shut down a computer. You will shut down your computer when you finish your work. It's one of the things you need to learn. See, the shutdown button is here. If you don't see the shutdown, click the small arrow next to it. You will find there with other option too. Let's discuss these features like switch user. Switch user is an option or program. Whenever you use this option, it will switch your account whenever you use a multiple account in a single window. What about sign out, which is also called log off? Log off closes and sign out closes all your programs and goes to the log on screen of window. Use it if you want to log on as another user like switch user. Lock the screen so no one can use your computer while you are away unless they know your password. It will lock your computer and the shortcut is Win key plus L. Restart. Everyone know about a restart. Whenever we press restart, it shut down and start your computer again immediately afterward. Also we have another option here, sleep, which is shown in Windows 7 when I'm using Windows 10. So sleep puts your computer in a power saving state. The computer will resume in a few seconds when you press any key on the keyboard. So remember students, it is better to put your computer in sleep mode if you want to take a break for 10 minutes rather than it shut down. Start a program. The first step you need to know in order to be able to use an operating system is to know how to start the programs, files or folders that you want to work with. Let's start by drawing something in Paint and saving it. First of all, open Start menu. Now see all programs here. You can click on it and then search a Paint here. If you can't find a Paint, so another easy way to open a program is to click Start button and type the name of the program you want to open in the search box like Paint. It will show you in front of you and click it and press enter. Now see, the Paint program is open. Let's create some drawings. Like now we have done our drawing. If you want to save our work, so click the main button. You can see the save option here. Click on it, or other option is save as. Whenever you save and save as, remember the format will be JPEG. Click it and now type the name of for your drawing in the file name text box. So I will type a name, paint class 6, and click it save. See, it will save. Okay, let's repeat it. The first step, you have to click on main window, file. Second step is click save, select JPEG picture, type the name of a file and save. So it will save your file in any location you want. So select your location here. Like if you want to save on desktop, click desktop. It will save on desktop and you can easily access to that file. So students, now discuss what about this. First of all, you have see here, choose where you want to save your file in one of the preset folder. And this area shows you the address of the folder where this folder is located. What about this? This is show the content of the folder you have chosen. Type a file name here, and this is our save as type format. Choose the type image you want to save your drawing as, and click save to save your file or cancel if you have changes in your mind. In the same way, you can open a folder. Now I will open a documents folder for you, and we can discuss about this folder options too. This is our close button. It closes all the window like this. It closes the window and you can press Alt plus F4 shortcut key by keyboard. This is our maximize or restore. First, the maximize and restore down button changes the size of the window from full screen to preset size like this. What about this? This is the minimize button. The minimize button minimize the window on the taskbar. You can use it later. Without closing, it can minimize your folder or window on taskbar. Here is the location on the folder. Here is the location of the folder, and you can see like that I have opened this PC. In this PC I have opened documents. You can see here the address will be changed. This PC, documents, and then I will open it zoom. Now you can see the address here of this folder, this PC, documents, and zoom. So here is the location of the folder. And if you want to go directly without using mouse, you can press F4 on your keyboard. It will be the shortcut of that location. Now we have a back button. What about back button? With the back button you can go to the previous folder. This is our forward button. You can use like this, forward and back. I hope so you understand. This is our documents folder. Is a default. Documents is our default folder that you can use to organize and store your data. The music and picture folder are used for same things. Student computer is a place where you can find all the storage devices or the network places that are connected to your computer. See here the Windows partition. Your hard disk is C, D and E and F. Your CD or DVD drive. If you are using a USB, it will show here like a removable disk. This all are the removable disk. You can remove it. This is not the part of computer. And the bar below your driver icon show the free space of your storage device. That blue part is the space of your content and the white part is your free space. See, 9.41 GB is space free in D partition and the total size of that partition is 32.7 GB.
Smart tip. A folder, whether empty or containing files, is represented by a yellow icon. All the other icons are named files.
Activity which is given on your book page number 19, and here is a monitor. Try to personalize your operating system the way you would like to do. First of all, you have to deselect this icons align grid to the grid. First of all, you have to disable this option and this option too, like that. Now you can place your icon from anywhere. It will solve your like this. You can customize your icons in your styles. So student, this is your task. First, what is operating system and what does it do? What will happen after the appearance of GUI? What precaution will you take before cleaning your computer? What do you know about folder and what is represented by? Remember, find out best answer of these questions. Try to write in your own words and note it down in your notebook. Use your book as a guidance. If you found any difficulty, use internet. Solve your worksheet and hand-on activity of given task. Students, if you find any query during to solving this, so you can visit my Facebook page and visit YouTube channel, and this is especially made for you. Last and but not the least, stay safe and stay home and listen to your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.